In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through the Salesforce interface to manage your flows effectively. Whether you're new to Salesforce or simply need a refresher, these steps will guide you smoothly through the process. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Salesforce homepage. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a variety of options, but what we need to do first is locate the settings. The Settings button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Clicking on Settings will open a menu where you can further customize your Salesforce environment to better suit your needs. Don't worry if the page initially seems overwhelming. It's all about getting familiar with the interface. Next up, look for the option titled Open Advanced Setup. This section is a crucial part of customizing Salesforce, allowing access to deeper configuration options. You might think of it as the control center for setting up the finer details of your Salesforce experience. Now, you'll want to search for the term flows. Flows are an essential part of automation within Salesforce, allowing you to automate business processes in a visual way. In the search bar, which is generally situated near the top or left-hand side of the screen, type in flows and press enter. The search should quickly bring you to the flows section where you can manage existing processes or create new ones. Once the search results appear, you'll see a flows option. Click on it, and you'll be directed to the Flows Management page. This is where all the magic happens. You'll see a list of flows you can work with or modify. If you're not seeing the result you expect, don't worry. Ensuring your spelling is correct and trying different keywords can go a long way. To continue, find the arrow down button, which is usually next to each flow item. This button will give you additional options regarding the particular flow you're interested in. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will appear with more detailed actions you can perform. Within the drop-down menu, click on Edit Details. This action will allow you to modify specific parameters of the flow you selected. Editing details can be very useful for troubleshooting and optimizing the performance of your business processes. After editing, you'll need to highlight the section you want to change. Certain parts of the flow will be editable, and highlighting will make it easier to make precise adjustments. This step is particularly useful for complex flows where multiple elements interact. Finally, if you determine that a flow is no longer required, you might want to delete it. To do so, simply find the Delete button associated with the flow, click it, and confirm your choice. This action is irreversible, so make sure you're ready to remove the flow before proceeding. And that's it. You've effectively learned how to navigate through Salesforce to manage flows. Whether you're editing, setting up, or deleting flows, these steps will keep your processes efficient and tailored to your business needs. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and become more comfortable with how everything fits together.